cops are going to be right here. I said, that will be the day I bring my gun to the shop. No one's going to take this thing from me without me getting my stuff out of here.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, that's harsh to say, but it's like, that's everything I got is right there, you know? You're not just going to shut me out of this thing. So anyway, we got out of it. It turns out the guy that bought it was the guy down the street. He couldn't do it, but let Dave do it, you know, so. Horrible.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Life-changing, you know.
Yeah.
I thought I was going to die there or something, you know, as long as I've been there. It's like.
I do a lot of crafts and stuff. Give these to your wife.
Oh, well, depends.
They're pins.
Nice.
So.
You see these in the banks all the time.
Yeah, I make a lot and give them out.
Matches your.
A lot, yeah. I do a lot of the pins because, you know, people really like receiving pins and stuff.
Yeah.
And I do crocheting and everything under the sun.
Yeah.
That's my thing. I don't want to touch motorcycles anymore. I don't want to touch engines. I don't want to work on cars or trucks.
Who's going to clean your bikes for you?
I don't know.
Come on, Mom.
It's up to him. Because I'm, you know, I grew up with all that stuff and I wanted to kind of get away from it. Because, yeah, my worst smell is transmission fluid when it's been used. That's the worst. So.
No, I drink that stuff.
Yeah, well, I don't. Yeah, I don't. Oh, no wonder you're working really well.
Yeah. No squeaks, no nothing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that's what my thing is that my dad taught me if you can't find something, you invent it. And so he did because he's got a lot of the parts where my dad made because my dad wanted the motorcycle to be lighter. So he did all kinds of things to make his motorcycle lighter so he could race it.
Right.
And I was like,
we know that.
Okay. Yeah. When they told him it couldn't be done, and he was losing his eyesight at 55 because he would do a lathe, and when he did the lathe, he got shards in his eyes, and so he would have to go into the eye doctor and get it out. Yeah, and they scraped his lens. Yeah,
a dozen times.
They scraped his lens too much, and it messed up his cornea and stuff. It was just really
because my left eye is blurry as F.
Yeah.
And the right side's a lot better.
Yeah.
But like when I have to weld, I got like 1.5 readers in my lens, and then I wear 1.5 readers.
Isn't it nice that they have those now? Huh? Isn't it nice that they have those for welding helmets?
But when I'm welding, if all of a sudden the product gets way out here, then it's blurry again, so I got to take these off, and I go back and, what a pain.
Yes, yes.
That's the worst thing about where I'm at right now. It's hard for me to see what I'm welding.
Yeah, well, my dad used to tell him, I regret not wearing protective, glasses over my eyes.
I do, like the ones I was just wearing, but they're 1.5 readers too. Those ones I wear inside my thing. So I might have got to read something. I throw those on instead of going out my car and getting my other ones. Or something.
Yeah. He used to, his eyes were pretty good, and then, like I said, they went bad because of he didn't wear protective eye gear. He told all three of the boys, you wear that even if you don't want to.
Right.
You wear those.
Or how goofy you look or whatever, you put them on. Right.
You put them on for that reason. So, yeah. Yeah, better get going now.
Yeah.
Because I got all that.
High five.
It's very nice to meet you, Bill.
Nice to meet you.
Give me a hug.
Oh, thank you.
We do hugs.
Oh. Yep, I like hugs. That's me.
Me too.
So thank you